Hello everyone, my name is Maria Frolova and I want to represent you my brand new brush set for the Procreate program I call Velvet Jade. I want to show you how to use my brushes, so this will be a tutorial for you. So let's go and make our Velvet Jade masterpiece. At first I want to show you brushes that I included in the set. First the texture background brushes, so you can use them for make sense that you're drawing on real canvas or paper. That's how it works. Choose brush, canvas, bold canvas or paper. Let's go with paper. Maximum size and just fill it. If it's too bold, let's go to opacity, make it about 40%. Okay, so that's the texture, and then you should draw on the lower layer. Next is the texture stone brushes. I use it for extra texture. This is a palette of Jade, so let's make it something like this. We draw abstract painting, so you can try all the textures if you want. Let's go to the next layer. So that's texture stone brushes, and the main brushes are painting. This painting texture, it's like a bit of watercolor, so you can try it in a big size. So you can see that it has a very natural texture. The next one is for the details. Let's take more saturated color and draw something like jade. Jade texture is something with these stripes. It can be not so oval. So you can press more to make more wide. Stroke, or press less, it will be thinner. You can not only make stripes, but also some abstract shapes. Maybe you like strokes, so let's add them to our painting. So it's for details. These texture brushes also has something like salt watercolor texture. Let's make some more green color. If you want to see the texture, let's make it bigger so you can see it's very natural. Okay, the other painting brush is the dots brush. Like you spray some color to painting. You can add it on darker color or to the white part, so it will work like spray. Very special brushes are gold brushes. It can make gold sands without any clipper mask or any texture additional. So you should use special palette called gold. And I prefer darker colors because they are looking more natural. Triple brush for make more stripes. For example, for this. Beautiful gold, so it looks good at white and good in dark side. So you can use it on both. Gold solo brush, if you want to add some solo stripes or maybe draw something. Or maybe make some calligraphy. Maybe I'll show it in other tutorial. And next brush is plating brush. It covers gold more area, so you can see something like that. It's too much. Let's make a little area there and there. Also, you can make your stamps looks like gold with the clip mask when you use this brush. I'll show you. So these stamps, for example, linear. Let's make some like this, then add layer, clip and mask, and plating brush. So when you draw, you can see the gold effect that appears there. And it looks like gold. Also, there are many other stamp brushes, linear, crystals, stones, so you can add stone texture by adding there something like this. Let's make it, for example, there. And the texture is like natural stone, but it's not for covering, but for the details and maybe let's go to another stamps, stroke brushes. You can use it of a variety of times. For example, we make it also gold. Let's make it with the plating brush. And it will look like you draw it with a gold painting. So there you can place it where you want. Maybe it's too much gold there, but it's look amazing. Make something like this. So that's the abstract painting that we paint with Jade velvet brushes, but you can also make a different color that you want, not only Jade of course, but this special palette is for Jade effect. So I hope now you know how to use this brush set, and I will be forwarding for your paintings. So good luck and thank you.